Invented in Japan thousands and thousands of years ago, is an iconic soup that you see every day in modern day Japan. Miso soup. You can find miso soup at most restaurants and also find instant varieties at convenience stores and supermarkets all across the country. But today we're making Ichiban Dashi from scratch, and I'm also going to show you how to make homemade miso soup. Oh yeah! To make miso soup you're going to need kombu, and if you use that alone it's called Kombudashi. Then you're going to need some Bonito flake. If you use that alone it's called Katsuodashi. Then some shiitake mushrooms. And some Iriko, which are dried sardines with a very heavy umami flavor. Most recipes online tells me to score the kombu. I don't really know why, but I'm going to listen to them. Fill up your pot with the desired amount of water and throw the kombu inside. Let the kombu soak for at least 30 minutes before you turn on the heat. It's important to only bring it up to a light simmer and not to a rolling boil. After simmering for 30 minutes, turn off the heat. After the kombu has been cooling for 10 minutes, throw in the Bonito flakes and turn on the heat again. Stir it up and get ready to add the next ingredient, shiitake mushrooms. Then throw in the Iriko. Now let the mixture simmer for 30 minutes again. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and wait until the Bonito flakes drop to the bottom of your pan. Get your colander ready with a paper towel and throw in the dashi. Now the paper towel is important because you don't want the eyes of the sardines or the Bonito flakes or pieces of shiitake to go through into your dashi. Remember to press out all the delicious dashi. Now rinse your saucepan and get ready to throw in the dashi. Now it's time to make the miso soup. I chose to put in some onions, some of these small mushrooms I don't remember the name of, some tofu, and some green spring onions. Let's not forget the star of the show, miso. I chose to go with the red miso today. Chop up the onions and mushrooms the way you like them and throw them in the pot. Oops. There we go. Now bring everything up to a simmer before you throw in the miso. And also struggle to get it off your teaspoon. There we go. Prepare your tofu. I like them like this. Now stir in the miso with the dashi. Look at that. Before you throw in the tofu, make sure to turn off the heat. If it's still boiling while you throw in the tofu might disintegrate and lose its shape. Now you're ready to serve it up. Miso soup is usually consumed during breakfast for most Japanese people, and that's what I usually do every morning when I live here as well. So I chose to serve it with tamagoyaki gohan, but that's something I will show you in another episode.